Yes! We start a reality show, guys. So we are gonna have different things in it. This is on the first part where me are gonna ask them 22 questions. And the last man standing, they're gonna name me. Last man standing where me I'll give them a gift. Me don't know the gift yet. As me go state it when time I sit down, me don't know what the gift yet. It can be money and it can be gift. But the last one, me ask them 22 questions, then me go be the judge of it. Me go give them the points and then uno go vote and then they count up everything and say who left and who dismissed out of the first one. Please, if you don't want to see nobody go, vote properly. Don't make your favorite go, vote properly because the next part going to be spicy where I am going to put them around a pool for the next 15 questions because I'm going to keep on chopping the question. I'm going to keep on asking some things until when I reach the final 4 or 5, we are going to take them to Panama on a boat cruise to an island where they're going to be eliminated from the island. One of them going to eliminate from the island. Then until we're going to have a peer fund. More find a farm. Anybody can link me up with a farm. Want a cow farm. Anybody brave enough to touch a cow for 5 minutes without moving, they get the chance, to stay in the next rounds. Because we know some of them must fear a cow. So please give me a cow farm. Peace out. All right, now we are here with the famous Jawbone. 1 year boss. Cartel, link me, Cartel, because you use it, you use the voice. Link me. I want to look at presidency for boss. If you want bike, roll up. All right, so Jawbone.
Room.
Me have 23 questions, I think.
Yeah.
Right? But when me ask you some really simple, something like your name.
Mm-hmm.
The audience would like your name first.
Alright. My name, my name is Christopher Samuels. All who never know what a job one, my nickname, you see me? Room.
Right, and your age,
Year 25.
your parish.
Parish of Westmoreland.
Right, the best in the West.
Best in the
Can you
West.
cook?
Can't cook, but I mostly cook mackerel and rice.
Why mackerel and
Because I
rice?
me can't cook.
Eat alone.
Can't cook little spaghetti pan and baked bean, bully beef, ackee and saltfish.
So no chicken.
I can't curry chicken, but I don't tell you say it's a curry chicken soup you'll get.
No? Good. Alright, can you swim?
Yeah, I was a lifeguard once.
Oh, you was a lifeguard.
Yeah, I
So
broke my foot now, so I think kind of so down because my foot got broke 2 times.
if you get the chance to go back in a lifeguard, you would have do your lifeguard.
Less than a heartbeat.
Alright, I like your confidence. Tell me what you like about yourself.
Well, I like how the boy know I'm a hustler.
Mm-hmm.
That I love about myself. That I can hustle.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's you love about yourself. Some people are really confident in themselves still. Alright. So, do you like to party?
Well, I not say I like, but me go road go party 1.5 year, but I not say I like to party, you know?
Right. Do you smoke?
Yeah.
Do you drink?
Yeah.
Have you ever lied before on something that the person knew already?
Yeah, everybody lie. But
Yeah, but
you
as
lie,
in,
you lie. See, you lie now, we're gonna lie to somebody where they know the truth already. Remember, you probably love a person, respect a person, or rate a person on a level you don't want to hurt their feelings or break their confidence with it. You see me?
well, me understand the point there still, but so with your number 11, right? Do you love acting movie?
Yeah, cause they make me stop with certain things.
Me don't really want to ask you certain things. Do you have a crush on any of the actors? And why?
Boy, me not gonna say no, cause show me a boy now. Me live by myself, I'm really nobody. Cause me spend for my little pleasure. You know what style already, you know where you go.
Yeah, but
So me say me see one girl, say come say about me like short girl, me like slim girl, but me now say me want the thickest in the bud. Yeah.
no, which one of the actresses you do have a crush on?
Boy, me not know, cause don't tell you already, Me not have nobody for myself. So, me I go offer
So
everything
it's a
till me get
player then.
something. Me nah say so.
No, it's a only a player can tell who they have a crush on. Mind game. Because you're telling them you have a crush on them and then you now go make them know who is really the crush.
That's a call player.
Yeah, that's a mind
But
game.
in my what me know what player is somebody with full of lyrics. Me don't know, me don't know lyrics.
Give me have a point. 13. Singular taken.
They don't tell us me know nobody daddy.
No, it's in the question, so it don't really
Oh,
matter.
single.
Okay, good. Do you think Jawbone is a good actor?
Me nah doubt myself in the but me nah give myself self praise. Me have to hear that from the audience.
Alright. I like your confidence. I saw people for confidence. Which of the actress you think show off the most? No, it's not a laughing thing. It's a serious matter now, you know. This is episode 1.
Alright, who me that say now? John or you? I say go still. Me that say this is a Trish kind of show off a little bit. Yeah. I
Which,
don't talk.
okay. Which of the actress you think act better than the rest? Actress, not actor, you know.
Well, me not tell no lie. Three of them kind of get a kind of run for money right now. No? But
Who,
one kind of park up right now.
who and who?
Kayla, Kayna and Trish.
Who back up?
No Kayla?
Alright. Your word are your word. Can't go behind the word. Alright. What you love about yourself?
Well, me love how me calm. Me not too. Me love how me calm. You see me? Me's a hustler cause me's a boy me I like sit down, you know. I like to beg cause me's a boy me easy for shame. Very, very easy for shame.
Alright. Which one of the actor them you have want who you be like?
No Popeye.
Why me?
Cause when me see it now, in kind of a different mentality, you know. When it come on to like all money wise, yeah, he know if you hold on for money. He not gonna be like a me as a girl, look good and give him a vibes or give him a too sweet talk, hand gonna pocket long time.
Alright. Tell me one thing you like about your co-worker. It doesn't matter which one, but just tell me one thing you like about them.
The whole of them,
The whole of them.
well, the whole of them have the same thing in a common to me.
What's the command?
They full of vibes.
Alright, I like your confidence. What you think about Jada? I want the rough people.
Yeah, they're a good girl, but
Me not like the laughing though, cause it's
no, I run and the women me laugh a while ago.
no something make you giggle. Come on, man. The audience would have liked to know,
Jada a
right?
good girl, daddy.
Right, people?
Brother Jada a good girl, brother.
Alright, Jada a good girl.
Jada a good girl.
What you think about Kena?
You're kind of miserable.
Alright. What you think about Charmaine?
Mighty people in calm and humble and easy, you know.
Alright.
Yeah.
What you think about Toga?
Yeah, man, Toga a tough boy, man.
What you think about me?
Like me tell you, man, Papa a skill boy, but me wonder who skill and who tougher, if I him or a Toga.
What you think about Shanice?
Shanice boy, miserable.
What you think about Moody?
Oh, they alright, man.
So why you have to take so long to answer that one?
Because I just know Moody, I don't really know nothing about
Oh.
Moody.
What you think about Deja?
Farid big, I tell you what, he active man, he active man. You know, for it
Alright.
there.
What do you think about Pinky? The new Pinky.
He take one.
Yeah.
He too much on himself, man. And he not really all that. Yeah. He not really all that.
Alright,
But
I
I
don't
just
think
so
we
you
want
go.
to go further with asking. And we had two more questions, two, three more questions. Who is the best actress of them all? I one day tough. The one day tough.
Well, I'm not really sure now, because all of them are going with them thing. You know, all of them are alright. Not really put no one over no one. Everybody are try them things same way, though.
Alright, tell the fans one thing you always want to say to them. Now is the chance.
Alright, fans. I want to tell you, but I chance to tell you, but like I can tell you now, you want to big up on yourself and give thanks for what you do for we. Will subscribe, like, share, and leave on the best comment or so on. You know, and thank you for the support and everything on do. You see me? Yeah.
Alright, peace out, people. We'll have next coming up. Don't move. Stay right there, don't move.
Right.
Next! Yeah, we have Moody in the building, guys. You all know Moody, right? So, Moody, this is the thing. I have 22 to 23 questions to ask you. But first, I want to start off with your name.
My full name?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm Levina Moody. For all who don't know my first name, I'm Levina Moody, yes. Otherwise
Age.
called Moody because them can't too keep up with the first name. And I'm 19 years of age. But I got earth for 19 years, still
Okay.
counting.
And which parish the Moody come from?
St. Catherine.
St. Catherine.
Yes.
Can Moody cook? That is the most important
Of course,
thing.
Moody can cook.
What can you cook?
Everything.
Everything.
Just never try to cook yet.
Okay, so you can't cook everything then. Don't say everything.
I never try cook it, but I can cook.
So you can cook majority of the things. Do not, next time, do not say
Alright. Now,
cook
but I already
everything.
disgrace now.
Can you swim?
A little bit. I can save myself.
Okay, see yourself. All right, now Moody.
But I can't save people.
What you like about yourself?
I about myself.
Yeah.
I like how I'm confident in myself and a business everybody wants about me.
Yeah, but sometimes when me see someone take long to answer about myself, it's like something wrong with you. But me don't know, let the audience judge that. I'm not the one to judge that. Do you love to party?
Yeah, I love a party now because growing up, I never have the opportunity for go nowhere.
So now you get the opportunity, you go out.
Yes.
So you think partying a lot is good?
No.
Okay. Do you drink?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
Yes.
What do you smoke?
Craving.
Have you ever lied before on something a person already know? Whether mother, boyfriend?
Yes.
Why?
Because me gonna get lick.
Oh,
I that try to get the beat, but I still get lick.
alright. I like your confidence. Do you love acting?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a crush on any of the actors?
No, sir. Them not nothing about them. And then tell her anything come out them mouth.
Okay. Single or taken?
Taken.
Taken. I like your confidence. Some people that lie. Do you think Jabon is a good actor?
Yes.
Why you think so?
Why me think so? Because him nah. Alright, it's like how other people that act. And they would have afraid to say some things that they want, but Jabon not afraid. Jabon not tell it as it is in the movie.
Okay, I like your confidence. Which of the actors you think show off the most?
Who show off? When I say show off, she don't there again.
Oh, she don't do it again.
No, she gone. Miss Attitude.
Okay. Which of the actors you think act better than the rest?
And the Charmaine.
All right, I like your confidence now. I like your confidence. Which actress would you like to be like?
None of them.
You see, some people if you have confidence. Be like yourself. Don't
Want
try
me
to.
beat him and become better than them.
Well, let's think. Let's left that for the next episode. All right. What you love about yourself?
I love about myself. Me kind of change now. Me like, oh, I don't give a biscuit to nobody want to say about me. I can say the words in my face and I don't care.
You realize the number 6 question when I said what you like about yourself. You remember what you said before?
That's the same thing you asked me.
Yeah, but I changed on the answer to figure you out. But the audience will judge that. Man, on my terms to judge that.
That
Do
me
not
like
tell the
about
rest
myself.
that. All right. Tell me one thing you like about your coworker.
My co-worker.
Yeah.
But me have no co-worker.
Tell me one thing you like about them. You can mention their name while you're talking.
So I can name what all of them when me like about them.
Yeah.
Alright, let me start with Deja. She's confident in her forehead.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Her forehead, she don't care what anybody wants. She's confident with that. She walk with her forehead high. And they
Uh-huh.
can barely see her edges.
Yeah.
Who else?
Kana.
Jada.
Oh, Jada.
Jada tell it as it is. All when you know say you go blush him and bam him, just chat it. She don't care. Kana no. What I like about Kana? I like about Kana. In color. And her attitude. Cause woman attitude nothing. What I say? Petty attitude for stink.
What about Charmaine?
Auntie Charmaine fun. Auntie
Right.
Charmaine is a vibesy person.
What about Shanice?
Trish. I like about Trish. I like everything about Trish, but she just not have the manners more while.
What you like about Charbon?
Him comedic or comedy or anything. What I say man comedian.
What you like about Tugger?
Tugger. Tugger don't even talk to people.
What you like about myself?
You know, you love money. That's all me can say. You love money till you're worse than Chinese.
Yeah, me and Shining are the same bracket.
And what I like about myself is I'm improving in my acting. Yes, I am not act for myself like me and somebody too.
Let me judge that. You not judge that. What you think about Kana?
As in,
What you think about her as in personality? That one.
she nice and all, but when it come on to her time to watch her movie and lucky, she nobody bother her.
What you think about Charmaine?
And the shaman personality nice.
What you think about Deja?
No, DJ no love trouble people and nobody trouble him.
Or what you think about Jada?
Jada just calm, but he know she need to make me teach her how to answer most of them.
What you think about myself?
You know, tell her what you know, Papa. You want to tell somebody sitting and I don't want to tell them. Yes, that is you.
The reason why sometimes I want to say something to somebody and I don't tell them because I always think about what is going to happen before I tell them. I rather keep it to myself and when it happens, it's just happened. That's me. I don't like the gossip, but I love the mix up sometimes. That's me.
Yes, alright, mix up boss.
But you know me name.
Yeah.
You know I. Yeah, man, I like that. Who is the better actress?
Better actress, so much are we up there?
Better as in with everything. Everything, not only in acting, with cooking, cleaning, the whole cleanliness. Better actress.
Why? One day kind of hard for me answer. But if I tell the truth, I cannot answer that question. Because when they cook, you have to walk back at them. When you clean, you have to walk back at them like them a young chicken. I said, fix back that and fix back this.
Tell the fans one thing you always wanted to say to them and never get the chance. Now is the chance to tell them. Look in
One
the
thing I
camera.
always want to say to them, I always want to say, guys, listen, when you see me act the movie them, when you just don't stop press the like button until just make sure so when you press it to the like, you don't say thumbs down, you know, you press it one up so. to continue to support me and all. I love you all.
Next, yes, guys. So we're on the third line, and we have DJ. You all know DJ in the movie. We have DJ, and first of all, DJ, I have 22 questions. It can be 23, but most likely it's 22 things I'm gonna ask you. Well, first of all, let me start off by asking your name.
My name is Deandra
Only one name you have?
Montague.
So, go on again, me not hear 'cause the audience.
My name is Deandra Montague.
Right. And your age is
17.
17. And parish,
St. Elizabeth.
the best in the West, St. Elizabeth. Can you cook?
Yes.
What can you cook?
Rice and mackerel.
Rice and mackerel. That's the only thing you can cook?
No. Rice and curry chicken.
And curry chicken. Can you swim?
No.
What you like about yourself?
Not really like that about myself. I'm insecure.
You're insecure. Like you're confident. Do you love to party?
Yes.
Do you drink?
No.
Do you smoke?
No. Because I don't reach the age as yet to smoke nor drink.
Okay, I believe in your confidence. Have you ever lied on something the person already know? It can be a mother and it can be a friend.
No.
You never lie on something what the person already know.
If you know
And you
something
tell
that
lie.
make no sense, me lie to you about it and you already know.
Okay, I like your confidence. I'm not sure if I believe that yet. Do you love acting movie?
Yes.
Do you have a crush on any of the actors?
Mm-hmm.
Which one?
Me can't call no name.
And why do you have a crush and can't call a name? When you have a crush on somebody and don't call a name, meaning you're playing mind games, you can use it against all the actors them. You can say you have a crush and you don't call a name. And why do you have a crush on them? That is the next question. That's not on the paper.
Well, reason be me have a crush on that person is because long before me come up here, he always talk to me on phone and etc. etc. Yeah. And he seems to be a nice person.
Okay, I'm not going to ask the name. And,
But not again.
okay. Single or taken?
Single.
Single. Do you think Jabon is a good actor?
Yeah.
Why you think so?
Based on in role them, how he act.
Oh, you ask. Which of the actress you think show off the most?
Trish.
Which of the actress you think act better than the rest?
Me no know. Because me not notice them.
All right. What you love about yourself?
Me big forehead.
Oh, you're big
And me
fart.
stretch mark them.
And you realize that when I asked you number 6 question, you said something about you're insecure of your body.
Yeah.
Next time you think before you answer. Right? Think before you answer. Tell me one thing you like about your coworker. Can be any one of them. Just tell me one thing you like about them or all of them one time. Just one thing in common.
Well, few of my coworkers they want me like a Trish and Moody.
What you think about Trish?
Sometimes me annoying.
What you think about Moody?
He never suck finger. Me no know reason why.
What you
Never
think
before
about
completely.
Jada?
Jada, They don't know nothing.
What do you think about Tugger?
Toga. Toga kinda cool.
What do you think about Charmaine?
Kinda brawling and abusive.
Abusive like oh.
Love leak
Where?
in a movie them.
In that movie, it's a script. So you
But
can't.
otherwise one that she cool.
What do you think about myself?
You
Yeah.
strict. I
But,
love mix up.
yeah, but me have to strict. Me have to strict. You can't blame me. Blame the government. Because it's
That
when you
true.
know under 18, me have to be like a father. If I don't do it, me can get sued. You understand? So I have to strict. So it's when you hear me say certain things and say don't go there, I stay in, that the time they are that, you have to understand. We have to treat them like my own fitness. So you understand?
Yes.
Alright, this is the who is the better actress?
I don't know.
We don't know. Alright. This is the last question of the question. Listen carefully. Tell the fans one thing you always wanted to say to them but never get the chance. Now is the chance to tell them.
I just want to tell the fans them thanks for support PFS Films and continue to watch the movie them.
Next, yes, guys. So we have a YouTuber this time, not an actress. Kana Media / actress. Yeah. So Kana, you are on the Last Man Standing episode. So we have I have 22 questions, right? Starting from your name,
Sasha Hilton,
age,
19,
parish.
Westmoreland.
Can you cook?
Yes.
What you can cook? A matter of fact,
Food.
like
Food, Papa. Yes, if me don't know if I cook, me go on YouTube. Food.
okay, me like your confidence. Can you swim?
Little bit.
Look a bit. What you like about yourself?
Everything.
Everything.
Except my nose.
Expect your nose. Do you love to party?
Sometime.
Do you drink?
Barely.
Do you smoke?
No.
Have you ever lied before on something a person already know? It can be a boyfriend, it can be
Yeah.
okay, now we go further. Next. Alright. Do you love acting movie?
Sometime. Sometime I can't bother.
Why?
Can me do it every day? I get up and do it every day. I want to like a break. When you are shoot, you don't give me no break. You just shoot right through. Me I beg your day off from how long, and since here we start get Sunday off, and we work every day, and that don't.
No, you do get the off.
What me just say? Me say we since the year we start get Sunday off. Last year we never did get Sunday off.
Oh, but we still
And
get a
it's
couple
tiring
days off.
sometimes we just want take all that nice look at 2 days for yourself and we can't do that. So it's tiring sometimes.
Okay. So that's all you want. You want a 2 day.
I never did say I want a 2 days. Sometimes I want a month break from acting to rejuvenate my brain and everything.
Alright, so you want a month
I done
vacation.
this now. I don't have no money to go on vacation, so I have to work, unfortunately.
Okay. Do you have a crush on any of the
No.
actors?
Nope, not one.
Single or taken?
No, I'm in between.
In between. Do you think Jabone is a good actor?
Good actor who?
As in, good actor? In
Yeah.
any way?
He can't go on.
Why you think can go on?
Because sometimes he wants to tell people in a scene in a real life.
In a real life?
And that they no good. Yeah. Sometimes he take people personal business, tell them in a show. But people not gonna know because they think of acting.
Which of the actresses you think show off the most?
Pinky. Sometimes Shanice.
Which of the actresses you think are better than the rest?
Newcomer or what did it?
It don't really matter who, whether old or new.
Oh, Kayla and Pinky.
Which of the actresses would you like to be like?
None.
What you love about yourself?
Everything except my nose.
Good. You catch. You hear the smart one. You catch up. You catch up. Like that. Tell me one thing you like about your co-worker. Can be the whole. Give me one thing about all of them. One good thing you like about all of them.
They're fun.
Fun. Right. What you think about Dija?
In loud and vulgar and in no manners.
What you think about Moody?
In balls ain't got too much. Every time if you shoot there's something wrong with him. He hungry and want bed or something.
What you think about Shanice?
Shanice, in too loud and vulgar. Sometimes he act immature, but I just her personality, so not really wrong
What
with
you
that.
think about Shanice?
Which Shanice?
No. What you think about, sorry. What you think about Toga?
Taga? I don't know.
What you think about Charmaine?
Oh, she nice. She like my second mother. I love her hug them a morning time. I look forward to it.
What you think about myself?
You no stand by what you say. You're lazy. Anytime you did it, and you say, alright, we are going to shoot 9, all 2 o'clock come and you just a start shoot.
Give me one good
Me
reason.
not done yet.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Mhm.
And
Yeah.
most of the time now, you're too vulgar, you cuss too much, you cuss for everything, and then you want boss, but you don't run a place like a boss. You will say, alright, me gonna do this, and then you say, consequence go on do them. Then do it and no consequence not do that, so then continue do it. You don't act like a boss.
And why some of the time I behaving like that?
Because you're not put on your foot. You not act like a
No.
boss or you're a
It's
boss.
because they hold on to dirty behavior.
And
We
no
just
hold
loud
on
make
with
on
dirty
fall for
behavior.
ourselves. That's why I repost. Anytime I see me repost,
Because what you say? You're not focus. You're not focus none tall. Every time we did there and you say, come make we shoot, and anytime we're ready, you talk about Panama where they weird in December when I reach the say it. Because right now, when the sponsors are with you, for sure we are going away.
who is the better actress?
In terms of who? Everybody?
Yeah.
Nobody know better than nobody. Because everybody, certain scene, people can do better than people. And I know everybody had did it, and certain things you know, go always remember, nobody up there not perfect. Me, myself, everybody, nobody not perfect.
Tell the fans one thing you always wanted to say to them. Now is it. Now is the time.
But appreciate everybody. Yeah, thank you. No. I am a nobody, but I've become somebody since I've gotten here.
All right, so next, yes, my people. You see, it's getting hotter and hotter and hotter every day. So we have Charmaine, I don't know Charmaine, right? One Charmaine from the app. She get her award what day. I'm soon post a video if this no, or maybe I'm gonna go see it before this. But anyway, Charmaine, I have 22 questions, right? And the 22 questions are going to start from your name first. So let
Okay.
the audience know your name first. You can
Okay.
say your married name in it.
Blessed, love, mighty people. From you see the face, you know, say Charmaine Miller Lowbridge. But you know me as Charmaine Miller.
You don't mind telling people your age.
No, I am proud to say I am 48.
Which parish you're from.
Well, that's an interesting one because I am a African Jamaican born in England, but I live in Mandeville, I work in Negril, so you can say me as a Manchester Negril woman.
Right, I like your confidence. Can you cook?
Then the most
What can you cook?
English food, Jamaican food, African food, Chinese
Yeah,
mixture. From
mixture. And
pasta
you know,
to potato to rice and peas to everything.
I like that. Can you swim?
I can float with direction. I don't know if you call it swimming.
What you like about yourself?
My positivity. My positivity. I love being positive.
Right. Do you love to party?
Absolutely. Life is one big party.
Do you love drinking?
Not supposed to say yes, but right time and the right mood. Absolutely. Me, I drink right now, but
Okay. Do you love to smoke?
natural things, yes.
Ah, cheers. That is it. Have you ever lied before on something the person already know? It can be a mother, it can be a husband.
Yeah, man. Everybody tell lie, but
No, like if the person know it and you're already telling the lie, but the person know it.
yeah, man. Me get catch with my grandfather plenty time. My grandfather know,
Okay.
and me lie.
All
I
right.
get beaten.
Do you love acting movie?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you have Lord of God, why should I ask you this question? But let me ask you, fear is fear.
I'm
Do
scared.
you have a crush on any of the actors?
That's for me to know. I wanted to find out. Next question.
Uh, single or, no, I should know that, but the audience don't know this. Single or taken?
I am well taken. I am married.
Okay. Do you
put a ring on
think Jawbone is a good actor?
Absolutely. I
Right.
love working with Jawbone.
Which of the actors you think show off the most? Sticky, it's getting hot.
Yeah, that make me sweat now.
It's getting sticky. It's
We're all divas in our own way. I'd say Pinky's pretty out there and loud, but we're all divas in our own way.
okay. Which of the actors you think act better than the rest?
No, we're one PFS family. We're not gonna get caught in that trap. No. Better than the rest?
Yeah.
No, we all have our own talents and we own blessings, and everybody work with that.
Yeah, that's the smartest idea. Which actress would you like to be like?
Ooh. I'm greedy. I love Kayla's sass. I love Kana's educatedism. I love Pinky's fiery. So I would say a piece of everybody. Everybody have them elements that is special about them, that I love about them. So a piece of everybody.
This is what I'm talking about. That's what I like to hear about people instead of saying one person, because everybody have their own acting where you can take piece and piece and make it be better.
Yeah, man, I learned from everybody.
What you love about yourself?
I am love. I define myself as love because everything I do is driven by love. So I love the love of myself.
All right. Here's the tricky part. We're going down to the tricky part. We reach up 19. Tell me one thing you like about your co-worker. One thing with all of them in one. One thing you like about your co-worker.
What I love about my PFS family, when I say PFS family, that includes Tugger TV, Shanice Lifestyle, everyone, PFS family, is no hypocrites. If they smile at you, they mean it. If them cuss you, they mean it. If them tell you, say them love you, they mean it. And I love that. Straightforwardness.
All right. What do you think about Shanice?
She's my daughter.
What do you think about Kana?
She's my daughter.
What do you think about Jada?
She's my daughter.
What do you think about Tugger?
He's my son, stroke son-in-law.
What do you think about Moody?
She's my daughter.
What do you think about Jawbone?
He's my son.
What do you think about myself?
You're my brother's son and son-in-law.
Who is the better actress? Of them all.
Of the others or of everybody?
The whole entire movie, Jamaican movie history. It can be a whole time actress.
Oh,
or-
now you're talking. Now
Yeah.
you're talking. Do you know, say one of my biggest inspiration, oh God, and her name gone from me now. But Vinette from Boops. Audrey Reed.
She-
I want to be like Audrey Reed when I grow up.
She is the, yeah, Oliver.
Oh God, me grew up with Oliver Yella, Joy, and
Yeah.
Maffy, and Mad Mavis.
She's my, all right, this is the
Yes.
last thing I want to the last question I have for the day. But people, Audrey Reed is my favorite actress them of all. If no, yes. And Oliver Samuels, yeah. And Bashi after Oliver Samuels. Bashi inspire me more. But Oliver, full of joke no matter what. So tell the fans one thing you always wanted to say to them, but never get the chance. Now you have the chance to tell them.
Never give up. You see, when you're going through shit, don't stop. Hey, you don't want to get stuck in it. Mighty people, the bigger the test, the bigger the blessing. And no matter what you're going through now, keep pushing through, because just as you think you can't go no further, that's when the blessings gonna come true. So don't give up, mighty people. Blessed love.
Amen.
Amen.
Next.
Peace out.
Yes, guys, so we have a YouTuber again. Producer. Shanice Lifestyle, aka actress. Shanice. So, Miss Shanice, I have 22 questions for you, right?
Okay.
And I want to start off from your name first.
My name is Shanice Branford,
Age,
20,
parish,
St. Catherine.
can you cook?
Yes, I can.
What type of cooking?
Any type of cooking. Expect big meat like steak and them things. I mean, I learned this yet.
Can you swim?
No,
What do you like about yourself?
everything.
Do you love to party?
Yes,
Do you drink?
yes,
Do you smoke?
no,
Have you ever lied before on something a person already know?
yes.
Yeah, you said yes before. You know, wait till we finish it, but you said yes. So we work with it. Do you love acting movie?
Yes,
Do you have a crush on any of the actors?
no,
Single or taken?
single.
Do you think Jabon is a good actor?
Not again.
Which of the actors you think show off the most?
Pinky.
Which of the actors you think act better than the rest?
Well, I say Kayla, but she not really know. So I say Shami and take Kayla space.
Which actress would you like to be like?
None.
What you love about yourself?
Everything.
Tell me one thing you like about your coworker. One thing in all. One thing, just
One
one
thing
thing.
with all of them,
Yeah, all of them.
me don't know because I don't like some of them.
Well, you could have waited for the next question. Cause see it you know. What you think about Jada?
What I think about Jada in what way?
Like, is she a good person, bad person?
Okay, she's a good person, but she's just slow. And because of her slowness, people take her for an idiot.
What about Modi?
Like, in no sense.
What about Kana?
Moody.
What about Dija?
Bulga.
What about Charmin?
Charmian is cool and nice because if she says certain things, she not gonna talk. Even though always tell her if you talk up.
What about Jabon?
Job won't get disgusting sometimes.
What about Tugger?
You act like you know everything.
What about myself?
You act like you know everything. And you're always right.
Yes.
And you're mean.
Do I?
Yes.
Should I?
If we shot at $10 for one juice, you write it down on the book.
Yes. Just like you to go to the shop at the supermarket.
Sometimes the supermarket tell you to go.
Unless I'm there.
People, best price?
Yeah. All right. Who is the better actress of them all? It can be.
Charmaine.
Tell the fans one thing you always want to say to them and never get the chance, but now is the chance to tell them.
I love you all.
Wanna hear that? She love you. Next! Yeah, people. I don't know Jada, right? One Jada on the app. So Jada,
Yes.
right now, me have 22 questions to ask you, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I would like to start from the name. What's the name? Tell the audience the name.
My name is Georgia Griffith Alexander.
Georgia Griffith Alexander.
Yes.
Alexander is your last name?
My good name.
Middle name. So why you call it middle name last?
I do.
Oh. Your age?
18 to 19.
18 to 19. All right. Parish?
Golden Road, Manchester.
Talk
Perfect.
up, no man. Talk up something.
Golden Road, Manchester.
Yeah, come here with a year load that daytime. So you vibes up yourself. Shake up yourself. Make the people then can know what go on. Can you cook?
Not really, but I can't cook for people.
Not really, but you can cook for people. I like your confidence because some of them lie, you know. Some of them will say they can cook and they can't cook until they reach their yard. You realize that porridge you drink instead of eat rice. Can you swim?
Not really, but I can swim for save myself.
Oh, you can save yourself. What you like about yourself?
Like stay by myself,
You like
watch TV,
uh-huh.
play music,
Uh-huh.
and watch TikTok.
Uh-huh. Do you love to party?
Very well.
Huh?
Yes, I do.
You love party. Do you drink?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
Yes.
Have you ever lied before on something the person already know? It can be a boyfriend or it can be a mother.
Madam boyfriend.
You tell lie, then you tell lie and they know you already and you still tell a lie.
No.
You listen to the question I just asked you?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna read it back over to you. Have you ever lied before on something the person already know? Like the person know already, but yet you still tell lie saying not do it. Never tell lie.
No.
Never tell a lie.
But we can't tell somebody lie and they don't know.
And they don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Why you think they wanna know?
Because they don't know nothing about me.
Oh, you see it? Learn something. Do you love acting movie?
Yes, but sometimes they back on me. But me have to keep it going.
Do you have a crush on any of the actor?
Not again.
Not again. Sound like you did have a crush on when I acted them. Who you did have a crush on? You can call in name, you know.
Brittany, brother-in-law. That's Brittany.
Brittany brother-in-law.
That I want to talk rough.
Oh, we know the brown youth. Yeah, know him. So far your crush reach single or taken?
I don't know nobody and nobody not real nowadays. I have to just stay to myself.
Yes. So yeah man, you see people when they take up people and say you know a relationship, nobody not real, they only with you for the money. She you know she smart, she not have money but yet nobody not real to her. I like your confidence. Do you think Jabon is a good actor?
Yes, but sometimes in cuss people, yes.
Yes, sometimes cuss people. In which way?
Like in a movie, not
Oh.
overall.
Oh. Which of the actress you think show off the most?
Sometimes Leandra and Abby.
Robbie. All right. Which of the actress you think act better than the rest?
Kena.
Which actress would you like to be like?
Kena.
What you love about yourself?
Just love myself play music. Sometimes I want to go river. I can go beach when I feel like.
Oh, that's why you love yourself. All right. Tell me one thing you like about your coworker. One thing in a one. All of them in a one. Just tell me one thing what you like with all of them in a one.
Some of them nice, when anybody else then chatter behind them back.
So that you like? You like when them chat behind your back?
No.
Listen to the question good. Tell me one thing you like about your co-worker them in one sentence, like as in one thing where you like, but all of them in a one.
One big sentence.
Me don't know what you call it. Me never come out of school for 9th grade, you know. Me just say to you, say, one thing you like about everybody. Let me tell you something. I'll show you my thing. One thing I like about everybody, they are fun. What you like?
Sometimes they run joke and they're funny sometimes.
I feel like you try copy me, but me will work
No,
with it.
no.
What do you think about Moody?
Moody nice.
Uh-huh. What do you think about Dija?
Cussing all the time. Sometimes friend up me. So me have to just answer.
Okay, you're good. You're good and bad in now, we can't move no answer. Anyway, what do you think about Shanice?
Shani's a nice person.
What do you think about Kana?
Kinda nice.
What do you think about Tugger?
I'm alright.
What do you think about myself?
I love mix up bad.
Right. I never, you're the first somebody come up here and know and say, yeah, I love mix up. And why do I love mix up? That the camera want you. Since I just put up that.
I love people business.
And why do I love people business?
Because everything then chat your cock your ears and ear. I saw you go, yes.
And then me lick out partner when I do the wrong things, right?
Yes.
Good. And when me tell them, if you don't go there, so you don't listen when things do happen, want to come back and say,
You know, say, Papa, we should go. We
Oh.
should have listen to you.
alright, I don't understand life. That's why I like the mix up because you know, I mix up boss, me name people. So I'm gonna make that TikTok page then name mix up boss when it ready, me make you know. Alright, so we have who is the better actress? It can be who in the movie industry also or who overall in a Jamaica will do movie.
What I say? Shanice and Kena.
Tell the fans one thing you always wanted to say but never get the chance. Now is the chance to tell them.
I don't really know enough. But what I say, if you could have support me and the flight ticket, please and thank you.
Well, like your confidence, you know, this is why we are going to make this an interview around the longest. And when you talk about flight ticket a while ago, I feel it to me hard to say, yeah, she done runway and it don't look bad for she not get even one 2-week trip. Even a 2-week trip. So, my lucky fans out there, me ask you please, if you can help, no we see with the room part, but you have to find your own food for the 2 week. But no we see with the room, because you know, you can catch with somebody, because you know, girls and girls can sleep in a bed together. Right, because I don't make man and woman sleep in a bed. No, I don't support that because yes, when them breed, me know I hear say me make them breed. But when you hear ask about a chip, now beg you know, hear her cry, help her with the chip because you have the ID
Yes.
and you have in TR and you can look out in passport as quick as possible. So come on people. One cocoa full basket, we have to tell them before we close out the camera.
Yes, please to like, share, comment, and leave us support.
Alright, and before we end this is one thing I need you to do when you left here. So stop act nerdish, brave up yourself, because you can brave up yourself. You understand?
I understand, Yashi.
Alright. Yes, this is the next part of the food challenge. We're 6 of them, anybody, but please leave piece after piece for me. Don't me no, we're walking down, but let's see who eat the most. Team A, Team B. Ready? Ready?
Ready.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Wait, no, Jamie, no. After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bye.
After 3. 1, 2, 3. Chạy, nhưng mà vọng vào để chạy. Không lại đây. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh God. After 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Start over. 1, 2, 3. 1, One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three.
Yo, let me put my five.
One.
Alright. Let me put it. One.
1, 2, 3. Some.
Good on.
1, 2, 3. Ready again? Open the camera. Open the camera. Do that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come in.
Don't do that. Wait.
Going up here.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Yes! Don't believe it! Which group win? Let's go.
Upright.
So guys, group A win. Them eat the most. Them eat the most. Shani's Shani's uncle 2 1 time. Kena uncle 2 1 time.
Abo, actually, me get a few.
No, few.
So,
So then,
look by your hand.
then
What we are starting
Teammate.
now?
So yes guys, we have made it to the end of this episode. So look on to episode 2. And as we said in the first episode, in the first part of the video, I need a cow. I need a farm with some cow. I hug. Yeah. Yes. And phone. If you want phone, come in the white phone, right? Wow, look at them. Anybody can catch a couple white phone, yeah, we decide who win. Please, like, share, and subscribe.